So again, welcome you all in this course. I am from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal, the SAES group. So today we'll discuss about the nomenclature used in Cam-follower mechanism. This is a very important part to understand what the different component we can call in the Cam-follower mechanism. So let's discuss about that. So nomenclature. So you can see this is a typical Cam-follower diagram, and different nomenclature are already shown in this diagram. But how to define it? Let's we discuss here how it could be defined. So measure the purpose to draw this diagram is to draw the cam profile. So what is it cam profile? Let us see. This is the cam. The inside one, this is a cam, and this one is you can see this is the base circle. Okay, in the base circle there is another arrangement is the follower, which is having the roller end. So it is called a roller follower. So roller follower, you can see this is the base circle. Okay, the first one you can say this is base circle. This one is called the prime circle, and the follower roller, it can be drawn as a curve, and this curve, it is, you can see this one, it is called the cam profile, which is desirable and which we will be interested to find out. Okay, so here all you can see so different component. So this point, it is called the trace point. This one is the circle which is passing through the trace point, and the center of the circle is the center of the cam. So this is called as a prime circle. Okay, this one is called the prime circle. And again, the if the follower and it is a reach here in somewhere around here, and again if it this point, a point we obtain, this is called the pitch point. If you draw a circle from which is passing through the pitch point, and center of the circle is the center of the cam, so this circle is called the pitch circle. Okay, so and some another thing is that also some important thing like pressure angle, and already we discussed about the pitch point. So let's discuss one by one how these important elements of cam and follower mechanism, it's can be defined. Let's see the cam profile. So the surface in contact with the follower is known as cam profile. Always you can say this is a follower which is always in, you can see this is the follower, this roller, you can see there is a first roller, and then it's reach here, so second position, third position. So this roller is continuously in contact with a surface, and that is called the cam profile. And next one is the base circle. So it is, you can see this one is called a base circle. Okay, so it is a smallest circle that can be drawn to the cam profile from the center of the rotation. You can see this is the cam profile, and it can be drawn through the cam profile. This is a base circle, this, and this part is a coinciding with the cam profile. Okay, hope you are understood. Then next one is the sorry, there is something, but it is a prime circle, not a pitch prime. This is a prime circle. Okay, I'm just erasing this. So it is a prime circle. If okay, so there is a little correction, you can correct in your copy. So you can see, so it is also a prime circle which is passing through the trace point, and it is a smallest circle drawn to the pitch curve from the center of rotation of the cam. Okay, so this one is the called pitch curve. You can see this next curve is called a pitch curve, which is passing through the pitch point. So it's called a pitch curve. So it is called a prime circle. Hope you understood. Let's erase these things. Okay, so this you just correct it. This is called prime circle, not a pitch point. There is little mistake. So let's next see in the next slide. So what is the pitch circle? You can see what is the pitch circle. This is a pitch point and circle which is drawn to the pitch point. So it is circle drawn to the pitch point and the center of rotation is the same as the previous circle. Okay, so it all these circle are a concentric circle, you can say. And another important term is the pressure angle. You can see this is a pressure angle and this is a pressure angle. So it is an angle between the direction of follower motion and normal to the pitch curve. So normal to the pitch curve. So any curve you can draw the tangent and normal. You already maybe studied in your first year course engineering graphics how to draw the tangent and normal in the curve. So here you can see this is the follower motion direction. Here, if you're talking about here, this one is the follower motion, and this is the normal to the this curve, cam profile one. Okay, this one, pitch circle. So you can obtain here the pressure angle, and pressure angle is desirable and there is certain limit, and it should not be much and it should not be less. So this is maintain an optimum depend upon your speed and requirement of the motions. So it can be defined, but it should not be very high and very low. Okay, so let's next point, that is a pitch point. The point you can understand, this point is pitch point. So pitch point, the point at which the pressure angle is maximum, that is called at a pitch point. So some another important terminology, pitch curve. Pitch curve, let's understand. So it is the curve generated by the trace point as the follower move related to the cam. So you can see this is this one is talking about this curve. You can see second one, not a pitch profile, this curve we are talking about this one. So it is traced by the trace point, you can see. And trace point, what that is a point which is located at the follower. Okay, so cam angle. So important thing you can see, cam angle. So it is the angle turned by cam from the initial position. So you can see initial position, cam was here at in this, and when it is reached some another location, you can see here. So what angle it is drawn at that position, this is called the cam angle. So then three things, another important term is there. Let's understand with that. That is ascent, angle of ascent. So suppose this is rotating in this direction. So till the follower reach at the highest position or rises up to highest position. Suppose follower curve is like this, is this cam profile, it is reached up to here in this position. So what angle it is rotate by the cam, that is called the angle of ascent. Angle of descent, it is the angle of rotation of cam during which follower lower down. So when the follower, so when it is rotate in this, when this follower reach here, so it is up to this, it is angle subtended at the center of the cam, that is called the angle of ascent. And after which, when the follower is started getting down and till it is reached at the lowest position, so this is called angle of descent. And angle of del, it is the angle of rotation of cam during which follower remain stationary. So here you can understand this part where the follower will remain stationary. So this would be called, this would call it call as angle of dwell. So all three angle are important when you will be study about the type of follower motion. So this is important. Hope you understood. what is this and what is the significance. So thank you so much for attending this lecture. Thank you so